Hey guys, it's Kent here, the podiatrist from DocPods and Ergonx, and today we're looking at the Ergonx Thermo Cushion product. So now this is by far our lightest product. It's a high level of support and a high level of cushioning. So we'll just take this one out of the packet. Now the real point of difference between this one is it's absolutely light. It's really quite a light product. It's got this really nice high, long, medium, large support that you can see here. So it will really support your foot. It's got a small heel raise, so it won't actually make your feet slip out of the heel. It's got this dual density layer, so you can see on top here it's got this grey section. That's a soft foot side cover, and then we've got this sort of more firm black section, which is where the support comes from in this one. Now, this product is a very, very special product because it is CNC milled. So what we do to make this product, we take a large square block of EVA foam, and then a CNC router mills the shape out of this product. So what it means is you get this really consistent density across the entire orthotic insole. So it works very well if you want to heat mold this one, or if you just get any pressure areas on your feet, it'll be a nice consistent soft density from heel to toe. It's got a really nice rear foot control built into this one. So if you're getting shin splints or you're getting rear foot pain, it'll help to control your foot at heel strike as your foot pronates, and it'll slow down that pronation so it doesn't happen as fast or as far, and it just deloads your feet so the muscles in your feet and legs won't be as strained. So if you're looking for a lightweight supportive orthotic insole, so I'm talking about people like long distance runners, high performance athletes, or just people that want something lighter in their work footwear, the Ergonx Thermo Cushion is the one that we recommend because it will actually mold to your feet over time. It's got a consistent density, a high level of support, and it's got this nice cushion top layer to make your feet more comfortable.